Hi, my name is Pari Ehsan. I'm a creative director with an online platform for art and fashion called Pari Dust. Welcome to my Zen Den. I love Zen minimalism. I love to surround myself with pieces that inspire me and support my well-being. What made me move into this apartment, as soon as I walked in the door, I noticed all the abundance of natural light. I think that the furniture becomes like a sculpture under the light. So when the light and the objects transform, the space also changes. I didn't want to bring a sofa in here because I thought it would obstruct the flow of energy, so I decided to do a day bed because it's open on both sides and looks the same from every angle. Since I have only a small closet in my bedroom, I had to create one in the living space that didn't feel overpowering. So I created like this built-in structural moment, and yeah, it becomes kind of one element into itself. So my workspace is a clean slate for creation. I like the sense that this is my haven. So my chair is probably my most prized design object. It's by the Brazilian architect and designer Sergio Rodriguez, and it's also very comfortable. I think it's important to bring warmth into the space. Objects that have been passed down to me and given to me by my grandmother, reflective of my Persian ancestry. I don't have that much art in my space. I think it's important for me personally not to be too influenced by other people's aesthetics, so that I can exist in a vacuum when needed and actually create art myself. I feel like my bedroom and the workspace, there's a bit of a separation. I shut the door to my bedroom and I turn off. There's just the books and my bed. I'm very much into the flow of the space, so I don't want anything to obstruct your vision. So things are more low to the ground and kind of off to the sides. I placed the mirror in a way to kind of break up the grid of the windows, just to create an element of interest. Also, I have an art piece which is all made of reflective material, so I think that that has a nice dialogue with the mirror. I hope my space conveys how important I think it is to design your environment in a way that supports your life, and also to surround yourself with pieces that you love. Thank you for coming.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?